Okay, here we are. I have this safe today I'm going to open. It's a Sentry. It's got a key and a dial on it, combination. Got this at a local thrift shop for 15 bucks. Was intrigued, wanted to pick it. As you can see, this is a 4-prong key. I don't have any idea how I'd try. Could never get it to rake right. So I have a friend who's a locksmith. I gave up and had him order some keys. We're going to see what's in it today. I kind of have an idea, and but let's take a look. So here we go. Okay, let's see. First off, I see a coin. Let's see what this is on top here. Fine silver GSM, 1 troy ounce. That's pretty cool. That makes it worth it right there. Let's see what else we got in here. Got a shelf. Looks like there's a pile of stuff down here. Let's see what we got. Case for 2000 commemorative quarters, gold edition. Package, it looks like. Yeah, that one's got the certification for it. And pack of quarters. That's pretty cool. Okay, so we got that. There is still a pile of stuff in there. Let's get the most important stuff out of the way first. A couple bolts. What's this? We have a Golden State Mint, 1982. Fine silver, 1 troy ounce. Pretty cool. We have another Golden State Mint, 1 troy ounce. And looks like another silver coin, 1 troy ounce silver trade unit. Cool. Okay, there's still some stuff in there. I don't see anything too flashy now. $50, which is 67, so it's just a clad. This is 64. $50. Another 67. 67. And 64. Plastic bag. And some pins from the bottom. And it looks like that's it. Well, that's pretty cool. No gold bars, but for 15 bucks, I won't complain. Not too bad. Sweet.